Good Monday morning to you. We are waking up to some very cold temperatures in the 20s and 30s. Once again, we also have some areas of patchy dense fog, our typical spots, South Sound, Hood Canal, but we also have some fog developing over Snohomish County. I'll show you in a minute, but that is going to lift. Some of you may get trapped under some fog, if not some low clouds for a good chunk of the day. So it may take a little bit of time for it to mix out and to lift, but waiting for us, we'll have partly sunny skies, though high clouds and possibly some thicker high clouds may obstruct the sun for a good chunk of the day. But rinse, wash, repeat. Tomorrow morning it's going to be cold with some areas of patchy fog. Same for Wednesday. Most of our week is going to be dry until we get to about Thursday. But for now, Friday and Saturday look to be the wettest days. We have this ridge of high pressure that's going to be locked in place, keeping things pretty stagnant going forward. So we're not going to have any major weather systems impacting our area, keeping most of the precipitation to the north and to mainly the west of us. So keeping rain chances out of the forecast at least until we get to New Year's Day. So looking better for New Year's Eve celebrations. We'll have to watch out for some fog developing overnight, but fingers crossed it holds off. Later in the week, our temperatures are going to come up. We'll have rain around at times. For now, we're not expecting super heavy rain, but that could definitely change depending on what happens with the system that moves in later in the week. Here's a look from Queen Anne looking toward downtown. Still pretty festive out there, but we don't have any fog developing right now. But South Sound, again, from about Shelton southward, that's where we have temperatures at and below freezing. So some freezing fog there. And then over Snohomish County, already could see some of that fog moving in from our Everett camera. So watch out for that. Add extra time to your morning drive also because we have some frost out there as well. Temperatures today will likely be a couple of degrees warmer than yesterday. However, for the areas that could get trapped under the clouds, if not fog, could be a little on the cooler side. But Seattle around 45 degrees, coming closer to our average, but still below average. Overnight lows in the low and mid 30s, between about 30 in Olympia to about 35 in Seattle. And tomorrow's very similar. We'll have partly sunny skies and mainly quiet conditions. Once again, we'll have high clouds at times throughout the day today, clearing, and then some areas of fog developing once again overnight and into our Tuesday. We'll keep rain chances out of the forecast, as I mentioned, until about New Year's Day. And even then, it may take a little bit of time for the bulk of the rain to move in. And it could be as late as Friday until we start to get some of that soaking rain. But for now, again, just keep that jacket with you, the hats, the gloves, all of that, and stay warm.